Hello, today I'm going to show you how to drive your Audi A4 or S4 Avant using or with the cruise control system. First step, we have a seat and we are going to use now the cruise control system. The instrument cluster gives us information about this. But first we have to see how we can go into such a cruise control system step. We always direct our full attention to the road, even when we are using the cruise control system. It is always the driver who is responsive to determining the speed and for keeping a safe distance to the other vehicles on the road. For safety reasons, of course, the cruise control system must not be used in city traffic, stop-and-go traffic, on roads with a lot of brands, or in difficult or slippery driving conditions. But where can we find it? The cruise control system is on the left side on the multifunction lever with the cruise speed and SAD and limiter and lane assist and cruise control setup. The cruise control system allows us to drive at a constant speed of 20 km per hour or higher. We pull the lever to the position we are like to. In this case, we can set the right now mileage if we are going to push the set button, or we can program it by going up and down. Down for slower, up for faster. And there are two things. The instrument cluster will display the indicator that stores the speed, and the indicator lamp of the cruise control will light up. If it is green, it is active. If it is gray, we are in setup mode. So we can go up and down to enter the miles per hour or kilometer per hour we are going to prefer. So setting a new speed means to increase or to reduce the speed in steps of 1 kilometer. We briefly push the lever on level upward or downward. To increase or reduce the speed in steps of 10 km, we briefly push the lever 2 levels upward or downwards toward. To increase or reduce the speed continuously, we push the lever 1 or 2 levels upward or downward forward, and hold the lever until the desired speed is reached. And of course, to set it, we are going to push on the set button. Before driving it down along, we steep graded, it is advisable to reduce the speed and select a lower gear. In this way, we will make to use of the engine brake effect and relieve the load and the brakes. And we can make an override to set speed. So our first step, of course, we have to program the speed. We can accelerate by using go up with the speed in the speed plus in 1 or 10 km per hour steps. We can go down in speed as we go down, of course. And that means we can make a selection drive by up and down with the speed level. We can set this on the multifunction lever on the left bottom side. But of course, we can go and switch it on and off. The device pull it to us means we are going to switch on. Push is the opposite. We press the to switch off temporarily, we press the brake pedal or push the lever towards. Okay? And then switching off completely means 2 steps down, as shown in that video here. We push the lever to position the second position. Push it down. Push it, push it, push it. Or we can switch off the ignition. The speed settings will remain stored after the system is temporarily deactivated. To resume that, we can, to program cruising speed, we release the clutch or brake pedal and pull the lever to the position of driving. That means we pull it to us. So you can, of course, make first step, set the current speed. We can go up to accelerate. We can go down to slow down. We use the set button to set the speed. We pushed the lever to switch off the cruise control system and we pull it to enable the system. We push it down twice or over the edge of the first step of pushing. That means completely switch off the cruise control system. So easy you can navigate and use your cruise control system. Of course, we are going to make possible that we make sure do not unintentionally rest our foot on the accelerator. This will override the cruise control system, which is a result will not brake the vehicle. The automatic braking function may be deactivated if the system fault occurs in the brake system, while the cruise control system is activated. So take care every time what your car is doing. But if you like to accelerate fast, you can push down the acceleration lever on our foot to push it down. That means we can make a kick down on the pedals on the right side. There is an acceleration pedal. Push it down to accelerate the maximum range. Then temporarily the cruise control will be switched off and we can accelerate and drive faster, for example. If we release this acceleration lever again with the foot, then it will come back automatically to the previous setup cruise control setting. So easy it is to drive your car using a assistive technology system, the driver system, the assist system, cruise control. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.